What's up? This is Alex Chu. In this episode, I want to teach you guys how to make a pie. Okay, using, it could be any kind of pie. It could be an apple pie, strawberry pie, whatever pie, But the trick is not to knead the dough yourself. You know how making pie, the most difficult part is to roll the dough, right? To basically use a rolling pin and knead the dough, to knead the dough yourself. Yeah, I'm gonna teach you how to make a perfect, delicious looking pie like this. Okay. Look at that beautiful pie. Very nice pie. It's very brown on the top. Just solid looking chunk of pie. Okay, and also very crusty at the bottom. This is a pear pie, actually. My friend brought home lots and lots of pear, and I don't know what to do with it, so I was like, oh yeah, why don't we make a pie with this, okay? But guess what? I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a pie using only flour tortilla. This stuff you could buy, okay? It's Mission flour tortilla. This stuff you could buy in your supermarket. They come in packs, right? You open it up, it's inside. It's like this, right? It's just a flour tortilla, And you buy, this one is like 9 inches. This flour tortilla is 9 inches. All you need is, a bigger one, like maybe 11 inches for the bottom crust. And then the top crust can use this, the 9-inch one, okay? But before I talk about that, I want to tell you, my name is Alex Chu. I'm the guy who invented the physical mortality rings. These are the rings that you put on your small fingers during sleep. You wear them, you don't age anymore. You become physically immortal. If you go to my website, livemuchlonger.com, I teach people how to, I have lots of testimonials and reviews. 90% of the customer give me 4 stars or 5 stars. When they put on the rings, they don't age anymore. So if you're interested, go to livemuchlonger.com, livemuchlonger.com. Link is at the bottom of this website. Put on a pair of these rings, okay? Let's talk about this pie. You see this pie, it's perfect. This looks perfect, you see? The texture and everything, right? Looks very nice and brown. Very nice texture, right? Look at that. The entire pie looks great. All you have to do is, I'm not going to teach you how to make the filling, okay? I'm going to at the bottom of this video, I'm going to give you a recipe of my filling. But just like what I said, you can, instead of kneading the dough yourself, you can use this. You can use just the tortilla, that you buy from a supermarket. This costs like, 40 cents each? They come in 8 packs, 8 or 4 packs. This one I bought is flour tortilla, super soft, it says. Mission flour tortilla, super soft. This one I bought 8-pack for like, I think it was like $4, $3 or $4, okay? The trick is simple, you get yourself a pie pan, right? Usually it's metal pie pan or glass pie pan. You put this soft tortilla at the bottom, right? To make bottom crust, right? And then you put in your filling, and then you put on the top crust, right? And to make it brown like that, to make it brown, all you have to do is smear lots of oil on top. I smear lots of vegetable oil, If you want to make it flaky, you know how these Dutch pies, right? They have very, very flaky crust, Then the oil that you just use butter or you use margarine, You smear the top of a pie with butter or margarine. Also, the bottom crust you also smear with oil. For example, when you are about to insert the bottom crust, you just smear the tortilla sheet with oil, and you put it at the bottom. Bake this for 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, it'll come out perfect like this. Only thing that comparing real pie with this pie is that you can see it doesn't really have the. See, the edges are not all glued up. You see, the edges are not glued up because these tortilla they're already dried. They're not like wet, so I cannot knead the edges together. Little at a time. I can't do that. I just put the bigger sheet at the bottom, and then top sheet I just put it on there and kind of make it look neat. So it comes out looking like this, but it looks pretty good. I mean, if you don't look at it carefully, you can't tell. It looks just like a normal pie, and it tastes like one too. As long as you smear the surface with oil, you smear the flour tortilla with oil, and the bottom crust also you smear with oil or butter. It won't be very crusty. It won't be very flaky when you eat it. It will taste very good. It will taste just like a professional pie made by a professional chef. Anyway, this is pure pie. I'm gonna this pie I make it so that it's the fillings are very thick. So the pie doesn't fall apart. Yeah, my friend liked it like this. My friend, because he brings this pie to work, he put this inside his lunchbox, so the pie has to be thick, So he liked it this way, but it's really up to you, You can. Anyway, that's all I want to tell you for today. Hope you enjoy my channel, and please buy a pair of my rings. I'll talk to you later.